Hi, it's great to see you. We are doing 5-minute arms today, so let's get started. You're going to be on all fours. All right, so hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Let's do a cat stretch and go into your camel. Find a halfway point in between those two. And we're going to bring the left arm out in front. All right, and leave it here. Reach the fingertips long and do little pulses for me, lifting the arm up and up. So what you'll start to notice is that right arm has to work quite a bit too. So make sure you're not sinking in that right arm. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the arm out to the side and little lift, little lift. So I have a video called 5-minute shoulders, and some of these are similar, and then we're going to get into some additional exercises as well. But it's amazing how much work you can get just coming into this position. Good. Bring the arm back, palm up, and little pulses here. Pulse, pulse, pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the hand back down. Now, hands are going to come a little bit wider, and we're going to do some push-ups on all fours like this, okay? So I want your hands wide, your elbows go wide, your chest lowers to the floor. And yes, your booty sticks up, but that's okay. We're not worrying about that. But this is a great place to do push-ups when you're just either warming up or getting into them. Occasionally during pregnancy, this can be a safe place to do push-ups. Good. Last one. Come back. Nice job. Left hand under your shoulder. Right hand reaches out and pulse here. I didn't forget about them, I promise. Not that I put that past me to forget about the other side, but I didn't on this one. Again, pressing away from the left hand. Don't sink into it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it out to the side and little lift. Nice. I have a wall in my way. I'm going to scoot. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach it back. Palm up now and pulse. And then don't forget about the rest of your form. Make sure your neck is nice and long. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Come back down. We are going to do another set of push-ups. But as we move along here, we're going to progress. So either stay in your all 4 push-ups or step your knees back. Find your plank on your knees and do a set here. Either one is fine. Don't cross your ankles, just keep the legs together. And you're only lowering as much as you can that you can maintain form. 4 and 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Come back. Okay, this is the fun part. So we're going to come up onto our toes here, and we're going to do some crawls out. So I'll show you what that means. You're going to crawl out, and either you're crawling out onto your knees like this and then coming back, or you're crawling all the way out to plank and then crawling back in. Now, you guys, I have to tell you, if I need and hopefully you're doing this with me now, now that you've picked your version. But when I need a quick, like either a little heart rate spike during a workout or some arm work, this is a go-to for me. This is like a big bang for your buck kind of exercise without feeling high impact, if that makes sense. Like if I need something that's, I don't mean easy, but I mean somewhat gentle on my joints, but again, that big bang for the buck, this is it. All right, last one, come out to wherever you are going. So if you're on your knees, come out to your knees or all fours. If you're in a plank, be here. Last set of push-ups, down and up. And breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Come back. Reach your fingertips long so you get a stretch. And then restack your spine to come back up. Reach the arms up, fingertips together, and lean to the right. And then lean over to the left. Come Come back up, bring your arms down in front of you, and round your spine as you reach forward. And then lift them up, let your hands separate, stretch, and lean back. And hands come down. And nice work. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.